Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint Simon, Quebec, is a charming village on the southern shore of the Gaspé Peninsula. This peaceful community sits near the beautiful Chula Bay, offering stunning coastal scenery and a relaxing atmosphere. Surrounded by lush forests and rugged landscapes, it's an ideal destination for nature lovers and anyone seeking a quiet retreat by the sea. Saint Simon is perfectly situated to explore nearby attractions. A short drive away, you'll find Miguasha National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site showcasing fascinating fossils. The scenic Route 132 winds through picturesque fishing villages and breathtaking landscapes, making every journey an adventure. Saint Simon invites you to slow down, take in the fresh coastal air, and enjoy its natural beauty.
Thank you very much.
Whether you're kayaking, hiking, or just admiring the view, this village offers a true escape. Its connection to history, culture, and nature makes it a special place worth discovering.
watching!